Good morning, students. In previous YouTube link, we have completed hard words and meanings of lesson number 5, Eyes in the Forest. And today, we will be writing the comprehension part. Now look at your comprehension part. What you have the first? Read the passage and answer the question. Passage read करना है and answers करना है in question के. Okay? So, ready? I will read the passage for you. Just keep the book down. Okay? Now see, repeat after me. A big block of sparkling eyes appeared in the middle of the forest one morning. The animals looked at it. It was filled with gems. किससे भरा हुआ था? Gems से भरा हुआ था. The gems sparkled brightly in the sun's rays. The Lion King announced, "Whoever gets the gems out will become the king after me." Okay? So, what is our passage is about? Our passage is about the block of ice. एक दिन जंगल में क्या गया था? A big block of ice. And वो किससे filled up था? With the gems. बहुत सारे gems से भरा हुआ था. And what did the Lion King announce? जो भी gems बाहर लाएगा, he will be become or she will be become the king after me. Whoever gets the gems out will become king after me. So, students, this is our passage. And we have to answer this question. से question का क्या करना है? Answer लिखना है. So where are you going to write? In your CW book. So write the question name, read the given passage and answer the questions. And the passage number 1, that is passage A. Students, हम पूरा passage नहीं लिखेंगे. What we will do? We will just write the start and the end letters. The first is a big block of sparkling. Give some dots and write become king after me. हम पहले के स्टार्टिंग वर्ड्स और लास्ट के एंड वर्ड्स लिखेंगे बस. नाउ आंसर. व्हाट वाज फिल्ड विथ जेम्स? कैन यू आंसर दिस? जेम्स किससे भरे हुए थे? अ बिग ब्लॉक ऑफ आइस वाज फिल्ड विथ जेम्स. वंस अगेन, WHET what? WAS was. FILLED filled. WITH with GEMS James. What was filled with James? Answer. A big BLOCK block of ICE was FILLED filled WITH with GEMS James. A big block of ice was filled with James. Now come to the second question. What did the Lion King announce? Lion King ने क्या announce किया? जो भी James बाहर लाएगा, he will be king after me. Would become king after me, right? So, write the answer. The Lion King announced, see here, ED, announced that whoever got the gems out would become the king after me. Once again, WHET what? DID did, the THE the, LION lion, KING king. ANNOUNCE announce. What did the Lion King announce? Question mark. Answer. The Lion King ANNOUNCED announced THAT that WHOEVER whoever got the GEMS James out WOULD would BECOME become the KING king AFTER after him. The Lion King announced that whoever got the gems out would become the king after him. Now students, come to the second passage. Okay. Now let's read the passage. Keep your books down. Passage B. Listen carefully. The troop of monkeys decided to break the block. अभी किसकी बारी थी? मंकीज ने डिसाइड किया कि हम ब्लॉक तोड़ देंगे एंड वी विल गेट आउट द जेम्स. फॉर होम? फॉर लायन किंग. क्या डिसाइड किया मंकीज ने? डैट हम ये आइस ब्लॉक तोड़कर सारे जेम्स बाहर निकालेंगे. दे थ्रू बनानाज एंड स्टोन्स एट द रेट ऑफ मशीन गन्स. सो व्हाट डिड मंकीज डू? उन्होंने झट से फास्ट बनानाज और स्टोन्स फेंकी. बट दे मिस्ड द टारगेट एंड इंस्टेड ended up hurting the other animals, so they had to stop. Now what it is saying? कि monkeys को रुकना पड़ा था. Monkeys had to stop. Why? Because they have missed the target. Target क्या था? Ice block. उन्होंने ice block को hit किया क्या? No. Instead उन्होंने सारे other animals को hurt कर दिया. Understood the paragraph? The passage? Now take your CW books up. So what is our question? Why did the monkeys throw bananas? Tell me students, monkeys ने bananas क्यों throw किए थे? The monkeys threw bananas to break the ice block. है कि नहीं? ब्लॉक तोड़ने के लिए उन्होंने bananas फेंके थे, throw किए थे. So read the answer. The monkeys threw bananas to break the block. Again, why did the monkeys monkeys throw bananas? Why did the monkeys throw bananas? Answer. The monkeys monkeys threw threw bananas to break the block. The monkeys threw bananas to break the block. Now come to the second question. Why did the monkeys have to stop? Monkeys को रुकना क्यों पड़ा था? क्योंकि उन्होंने टारगेट को हिट किया था? No, उन्होंने बाकी एनिमल्स को हर्ट कर दिया था. Answer. Monkeys had to stop because they missed the target and ended up hurting the other animals. Once again, why did the monkeys have to stop? Answer. Monkeys HAD had to stop BECAUSE because THEY they MISSED missed the target and ended ended up HURTING hurting the OTHER other ANIMALS animals. Monkeys had to stop because they missed the target and ended up hurting the other animals. Okay kids, now look at the next. What you have? Paragraph number C, the passage number C. Listen carefully. Suddenly someone said, "Look, something is moving inside the block." And all of a sudden, किसी ने तो बोला कि देखो कुछ तो हो रहा है ब्लॉक के अंदर. Something was scampering in the middle of the book, right next to the James. James के आसपास कोई तो क्या कर रहा था? Scampering. Someone was scampering. It's the vessel and she has the treasure. A monkey exclaimed. और तभी monkey ने कहा, क्या कहा? It's the vessel. ये कौन है? Vessel है. And she has the treasure. उसके पास treasure भी है. It means James है. The vessel emerged from the bottom end of the ice block holding some gems. और तभी बाहर कौन आया? Vessel बाहर आ गई और उसके हाथ में क्या थे? क्या थे उसके हाथ में? Gems थे, है कि नहीं? She was holding some gems in her hand. Now let's see our passage number C. Turn your page. Suddenly someone said, right? Start and ending words. So tell me, who was moving inside the block? Block के अंदर कौन था? Who was moving inside the block? Vessel. Answer. The vessel was moving inside the block. Who was? MOVING. Moving. INSIDE. Inside the block. Who was moving inside the block? Answer. The vessel. WEASEL. Vessel was MOVING. Moving. INSIDE. Inside the block. The vessel was moving inside the block. Next, was she successful in getting the gems? She. यहाँ पे she कौन है? Vessel है. तो बताओ vessel successful हुई थी क्या? उसके हाथ में gems मिल गए थे क्या? So the answer is yes. Yes, the vessel was successful in getting the gems. So repeat after me. Was she SUCCESSFUL successful in GETTING getting the GEMS gems? Was she successful in getting the gems? Answer. Yes. 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 Students, here you have to give your comma. The WEASEL vessel was SUCCESSFUL successful in GETTING getting the GEMS gems. Full stop. Yes, the vessel was successful in getting the gems. So students, what you have to do? You have to write this passage A, B and C in your CW book and write it in a good handwriting. and watch the video so that you can understand how to find out your answers. Okay? Bye bye.